Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to connect Xiaomi AirDots 2 with TCL 20L. First of all, need to open case from your AirDots and turn on. So press and hold here and wait until white indicator blinking. Like this one, yeah. It will be pair mode in your AirDots. Next up, go into Bluetooth settings on your TCL. So open Bluetooth, turn on, and then need to click pair new device. So click it, wait until AirDots will be available in the list, click, wait for pairing, and then confirm allow Redmi AirDots 2 and click pair. And that's it. Now we connect our Xiaomi AirDots 2 with TCL 20L. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.